How's it going, guys? Sorry I haven't done any updates recently. I've just been doing shorts, but I've managed to get about 100 new subscribers, so welcome to the channel, guys. This is an adventure YouTube channel, and I like to practice sustainability, and I like to teach just how to live a more natural lifestyle. I just want to update you guys on Ta'aroa, the V-Birth, but I'm going to be basically painting all of this with some new paint. I'm going to refill the tanks just to see what they, this is the old water tank. I wish I could take that out, but I might have to just stand for now. There's a lot of dust and stuff built up underneath here, so I'm going to be stripping that off, just unscrewing it, and then I'm gonna spray it down, and then I'm gonna put a layer of paint behind that. The interior of the cabin, I've been varnishing a little bit, but not a lot. But you can see this stuff's, I just varnished that. Look how beautiful that looks. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this. I might just keep it. I've been looking at some new navigation LCDs. I might just mount something right here because it swivels right here, which is so cool, especially if I'm out. The exterior part of the cabin, I've got my whisker poles and my spinnaker pole right here. I just put a coat of paint on that. And the boat has been varnished. Not all the way, but you can see that it's looking a lot better. And yeah, got a fresh coat of paint on the top, and I'm gonna use the same paint on the inside. I did manage to pull off this teak right here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just sister in another plank right here. I found some at a local hardware store. Believe it or not, I guess it's really hard to find teak because teak is a very rare wood. But yeah. So yeah, it's just a slow process. And thanks for watching, guys. And yeah, it's slowly coming along. A lot of work. Open. I'm draining all the water in this tank. This is an old fiberglass tank, and I got a feeling I shouldn't. I needed to do this. There was some mildew inside, so that's definitely not drinkable. The bilge is pumping out all the water that's pouring in here. So a few updates. I've drained the water tank, and it does have a little mold inside. I was recommended to just keep this, so I'm gonna patch it with fiberglass, and then I'll seal it, and then but before I'm gonna paint the interior, and I'm gonna caulk it off. I'm gonna clean this off too. Got the lid off of that. So yeah. And then tomorrow I'll be able to take off these boards, and then I'm going to paint this entire V-Birth. So yeah, if you guys like this channel, be sure to hit the like or subscribe button. Be sure to hit the bell to turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Aloha.